guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Dominator D1 steps on this Jeep Gladiator. These steps are great for everyday plus trail adventures. While we are showcasing the D1s on this Gladiator, they're also available for the Jeep JL and JK models, as well as most full-size and mid-size trucks. The Dominator D1s are a part of Go Rhino's Dominator Extreme series, which is all about the modular approach plus vehicle-specific brackets. Once you have the specific brackets for your vehicle, you can use any of the Dominator style steps. The D1s are awesome because they are a full-length drop-down step. This makes for an easy access no matter where you step. You'll also notice the Go Rhino Hex Punch texture, offering incredible step surface and grip. The full-length slider bottom also keeps vehicle clearance for off-roading adventures. The Dominator D1s are also great because they offer rocker panel protection from trail obstacles and road debris. These steps work awesome with lifts and bigger wheels and tires, plus they're topped with a black texture powder-coated finish. All of the Dominator Extreme side steps feature a super strong D-channel design to match to the vehicle-specific mounting brackets. This design and construction gives each of the boards or steps unmatched strength and a sturdy platform for that fit, function, and style you can count on every day. This is a straightforward installation, plus there's no drilling required, so we rate this a 2 out of 10. It'll take you about 1 to 2 hours, just depending on your skill level. The Go Rhino Dominator D1 steps are backed by a 5-year warranty. If you would like to purchase the Dominator D1 steps from Go Rhino or have them installed, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.